Hello friends, JBM everyone. Good afternoon to all. Friends, the hailstorm causes heavy crop losses in Nalgonda. The farmers are demanding to survey and give the compensation to farmers, which was the farmers were lost their crops, the paddy crops and the maize. Those crops were damaged and their grains where they were stocked the grains um, in the market yard. There was the completely their grains were was the sacked due to the gusty winds and heavy rain. Friends, from the Nalgonda district, sudden weather changes on the Tuesday that afternoon in several villages such like Nampalli and Marriguda Mandal in Nalgonda district. They coupled with the hailstorm and thunderstorm and lightning and gusty winds and heavy rain. Those given the more than more losses to the farmers, the which was the farmers brought their paddy grain, the paddy heaps they were stored at the market yard. That one completely sacked and swept away due to the gusty wind and heavy rains. Friends, actually in this season, this is a summer season. One side the scorching heat going on, the 45 degree above Celsius, the maximum temperature recording day to day, the rising. But another hand, the unseasonal rain also hits to the farmers. The farmers, they are lost and their crops completely damaged due to the unseasonal rain. That unseasonal rain come coupled with the hailstorm and thunderstorm and lightning and gusty winds, which was they were brought their grain, the paddy grain and maize grain to the market yard, that completely swept away. At the time the farmers, they were try to save their grains, but they impossible. The farmers, they were, when the gusty winds came, at the time the heavy rain also came. At the time the farmers and workers at the spot, but they were run away for the shelter. And some farmers, they try to save their grains, but impossible. That one happened. And the farmers, they were that which was they used for the covering their paddy heaps, the tarpaulin cover also swept away due to the heavy rain, and that resulting their crops and their grains completely sacked and completely that swept away. That's why the farmers, they are demanding to the government of Telangana, and they are asking, they are demanding, should be government set the survey and should be give the compensation, which was we are lost the crops should be give. That's what they are demanding, and they are urging to the government of Telangana. And I am also giving the support behalf of the farmers problem, which they were lost, which their crops and grains was lost, which was they lost their crops. That's why I am also giving the support them, and I am also demanding to the government behalf of the farmers problem. Why? Because farmers, they are a backbone to the society, backbone to the nation. They only giving the food to us. Without farmers, we couldn't hear. That's why we all are should be give the respect to the farmers. This is my humble request to the every citizens. And I am humbly request and demanding to the who is the agriculture minister, the Tummal Nageshwar Rao sir, should be set the survey and should be give the compensation, how much last was occurred and registered across the Telangana state, where there the heavy crop was losses and lost and damaged, should be set the survey and should be examined and should be estimate how much they lost and should be give the compensation for the overcome their problem and they from the overcome from the their sadness. This is essential and this is need to the farmers condition. That's why I am demanding and I am urging to the government of Telangana and who is the agriculture minister should be give the support them and should be give the compensation that is good to them and for the overcome the and for the again they can do the crop, they can yield the crops. That's for should be give the compensation and should be give the support and directly go to the farmers and should be control them. This is my demand and my message to the government of Telangana and who is the agriculture minister. You know the I know another issue also came by the Indian Meteorological Department. You know the Indian Meteorological Department given the forecast and bulletin alert notice to the people across the Telangana state. You know the from the Telangana state the 27 districts will be experienced the gusty winds and hailstorm and thunderstorm and heavy rain. We would be experienced the across the Telangana people. Like that the meteorological department also issued the notice and they given the forecast and alert notice to the people and public. That's why everyone should be stay inside the home when the gusty winds comes, when the hailstorm and the heavy rain, when that light with the lightning, when that rain will come, that time should be stay inside the home. If you are outside when the gusty winds and lightning coming time, you know what is the result will be registered means, you know, when the lightning comes, that when that lightning falls on the earth at the time, might if there is any human being, you know, they will that lightning hurt to them. And that's why everyone don't go outside when the gusty winds and lightning coming time. Should be stay inside the home. This is my humble request to the everyone. And you know the you know many districts, you know 27 districts will would be experienced like that. The meteorological department given the forecast and they were you know mainly the accompanied with the lightning and gusty winds are very likely to occur at isolated area, especially across the most part of the state. Like that the meteorological department they weather forecast indicated and thunderstorm is likely in you know several districts such like Rajana Sircilla and the Karimnagar, Peddapalli, Jayashankar, Bhupalapalli and Mulugu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Khammam, Suryapeta, Nalgonda and Mahbubabad, Warangal and Hanmakonda, Janagaam, Siddipeta, Yadadri, Bongiri, Rangareddy and Hyderabad, Medchal and Malkajgiri, Vikarabad and Sangareddy, Medak, Kamareddy, Mahabubnagar, Kurnool and Vanaparthi, Nagar Kurnool and Vanaparthi and Narayanpet and Jogalamba, Gadwal districts would be experienced like that. The meteorological department issued the forecast notice to the people across the Telangana. And you know the when the gusty winds comes at the time where there the power lines, they will be disrupted and will be destroyed by due to the gusty winds and lightning and heavy rain. Like that they were given the notice to us. That's why everyone should be alert and should be stay inside the home. Be careful when the rain was coming time. This is my message. Thank you everyone. And once again I am sending this message to the who is the agriculture minister from the Telangana state, the Nama Nageshwar Rao sir should be set the survey and should be give the compensation to farmers. This is my message. Thank you everyone. Jai Bhim.